This infographic shows us the difference between static and dynamic characters. Study the infographic. Now pause the video and see if you can summarize the main difference in a sentence on your own. If you said that dynamic characters change and static characters don't change, then you've got the right idea. Dynamic characters are important. For one, they're interesting and they keep readers interested in the story. And two, dynamic characters are a clue to the theme or the main message of the story. When characters change because they learned a lesson, the lesson they learned is usually the theme. Before we write theme statements, here's some guidelines. 1. A theme is a complete sentence. For example, love isn't a theme. That's just a topic. But love heals is a theme because love heals is a complete sentence. 2. Themes are universal. They can apply to more than one story. So for example, in the story of the Three Little Pigs, we couldn't say that the theme is that the first pig should have built a sturdier house. We could say, though, that the theme is that hard work pays off. That's a message that can apply to more than one story.